Now we are going to see second sum, third subdivision. What they given: a equal to set of x such that x belongs to natural number, x is less than or equal to 10, and b equal to the set of x such that x belongs to whole number, x less than 6. So they given in a form of rule form, right? It is a set builder form, right? So we need to convert into a roster form. You know very well how to convert that form. A equal to, so it's a natural number. Its natural number starts with 1, right? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. We need to put here the given less than or equal to the given, right? Under the underlined here. ஸோ இங்கே அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது இட் ரெப்ரசன்ட் ஈக்குவல் டு மீன்ஸ் we need to add that 10 also, that 10 also. And next one, b we need to find. What is b? They given here one hint, that is w means it is whole number. It is whole number. So whole number means it starts with 0. So 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. We need to include here 6. They given here any underlined here equal to the given? No. So we should stop from here. We should stop here itself. Okay. Up to 5 only we should write. இங்கே ஈக்குவல் டு மாதிரி ஏதாவது சிம்பிள் கொடுத்துருக்காங்களாமா, இங்கே அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணியிருக்க மாதிரி இங்கே பண்ணியிருக்காங்களா? நோ. ஸோ இங்கே அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணியிருந்தா we need to include the 6 also. But now they stopped up to 5. Okay. Now first what they ask you to find the continuation only. A union, first put one star. A union B. A union B means how we can write? No, we can write in a previous video you saw, right? What is A element here? Write as it is. A 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Union here you write. I am not having space here, so I am writing here. B element, what is a B element? 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now what we need to do, we should combine and write that. Okay, all the elements we should combine and write. What? It starts with 0, right? 0, 1 is 2 times repeating, write 1 time, and then 2, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 8 9 10. This is A union B answer. Clear, children? Next, A intersection B. What we need to do? What is A element here? 1 comma 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Intersection symbol, and then we need to write B element. So I am not having space here, I am writing. Okay, 0 comma 1 comma 2 3 4 5. So here intersection means we need to see the common element. What is a common element here? See here, 1 is common in both the sets, right? So write 1, 2 is also common, 3 4 5. So second A intersection B over. So 6 is not common, 7 also, 8 9 10 it's not repeating. So we should stop here, and then A difference B you know very well. First write A set. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Difference B set you write here. I am not having space there, so I am writing here 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Clear, children? So now for me A is very very important. B I won't consider it as a important, right? Now B வந்து important எடுத்துக்க போறதுல A மட்டும் தான் I am going to consider, right? So here B element you just type out in A. Which are the elements? 0 is there? No, here no 0. So 1 is there? Yes, 1 strike out. Then 2 is there? Yes, strike out. 3 is there? Yes. 4 is there? Yes. 5 is there? Yes. So what is the remaining thing in A element? That one only we need to write. 6 comma 7 8 9 10. This is the answer for A difference B. Now we are going to write a fourth star. What is fourth star? B difference A. What is a B element? You know very well. 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Difference, what is A? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then last one is 10. Close the set. Now here B set is very very important. First set is B, so that is important. Second A set is not important here. So you just strike out this number here. 1 is there, 1 strike out, 2 strike out, 3 strike out, 4, 5. What is the remaining thing in B? So 0 is there, right? That is a B difference A. எப்பமே வந்து B first எழுதிக்கணும். B difference ஏனா B first இருக்கணும், A second இருக்கணும். First இருக்கிறது தான் important, second இருக்கிறது important இல்ல. ஸோ அதை இதில் ஸ்ட்ரைக் அவுட் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஃபஸ்ட்டில் என்ன இருக்குன்னு பாருங்கள், ரிமைனிங் அதை தான் எழுதணும். எப்போவுமே ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டில் என்ன ரிமைனிங் இருக்கோ அதை தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், வி ஷுட் செலக்ட் இட் அண்ட் வி ஷுட் ரைட் தட். ஓகே children. ஸோ செகண்ட் fourth subdivision, here they given A equal to set of all letters in the word mathematics, in the word mathematics. They given like this, and then and B, what they given, B equal to set of all letters in the word geometry, clear children? Geometry. So they given in descriptive form, we need to convert into a roster form first. Okay, so write solution here. Write solution. A equal to, what is the word? First open the curly bracket. So M is there, write M, and then A you write T H E, and then again M is repeating here. We already I said in previous video, exercise 1.1 video, I said if we are repeating the elements, we should write only one time. So M already, A is already is there, T already we wrote, and I we should write C, and then S. Clear? So elements repeat ஆகும்பொழுது அதை ஒரு வாட்டி தான் நம்ம எழுதணும். செட்டு எழுதும் போது இதை நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்கணும். இப்போ வந்து ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 1 ரெண்டு வாட்டி ரிப்பீட் ஆகுதுன்னா ஒரு வாட்டி தான் 1 எழுதணும். இங்கே M பாருங்க, இங்கே ஒரு வாட்டி இருக்குது, இங்கே ஒரு வாட்டி இருக்குது இல்லையா? ஸோ we should write only one time. Clear children? And then B here, first write G, and then E, O, M. Again you see here E is repeating, so write one time, and T, R, Y. Clear children? So that's it. I converted into roster form. Now I will start my answers. So A union B, you know very well, M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. This is my A element. Union G, E, O, M, T, R, Y. So here what we need to do, A union B means write as it is, M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. Here you see G, E already we wrote here itself, so don't write. O, and M already we wrote here, don't write. T already we wrote here, don't write. R and Y. Clear children? ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்ன பண்ணுங்க, இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும் பொழுது அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி எழுத முடியுமா நமக்கு தெரியல. அதனால என்ன பண்ணுங்கன்னா ஏபிசிடின்னு அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி எழுதுறது டிஃபிகல்ட். அதனால இங்கே இருக்கிறது அப்படியே எழுதிடுங்க. எழுதிட்டு இதை எழுதும் போது மட்டும் ஏற்கனவே நம்ம அந்த எலமெண்ட் எழுதியிருக்குமான்னு மட்டும் செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கிளியரா? ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் A intersection B. A intersection B means what is A element here? A, M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. Intersection G, E, O, M, T, R, Y. This is B element. Now common element. What is common element here? See here. E is there, here E is there, right? So write E. First M is there, T is there, and then E is there. That's all. M, T, E. Next third star. A difference B. You know very well. Write M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. This is A element. Difference B element what? My M, T, sorry, G, E, O, M, T, R, Y. So this is what? B element. Now strike out here. G is there? No. E is there? Yes. And O is there? No. M is there? Yes. T is there? Yes. And R is there? No. Y is there? No. What is the remaining thing in A? A, E, I, C, S. A, E, I, C, S, right? A, H. A, H I C S. Next star is B difference A. What is B element? You know very well. G E O M T R Y. What is A element? M A T H E I C S. Now you just type out here. Second one is not important, first one is important. M is there, strike out M. A is there, no. T is there, yes. H is there, no. E is there, yes. And I is there, no. C is there, no. S is there, no. So what is remaining thing in B? G O R Y. This is B difference A. Clear, children? Yes, we will see next sum in next video. Thank you, children.